Welcome to the Recruiter 2 Installation Guide. Our Recruiter 2 lockers bring an upscale and luxurious design to your locker room with a very reasonable life cycle cost. Each locker is handcrafted by expert craftsmen using state-of-the-art equipment to create an heirloom quality masterpiece. Once built and ready to ship, the lockers are packed with cardboard and foam padding, then shrink-wrapped to assure safe and protected shipping. Side panels and trim pieces are placed on pallets with padding and wrapped securely. Lockers are securely strapped and staged for shipping. Lockers are carefully loaded and secured inside of the truck. Quality control labels and packing lists are carefully checked. Trucks are locked and sealed for transport. Safely arriving on site, lockers are carefully unloaded and unpacked and pre-staged inside. Check material received against the packing list. First check the number of packages received and then check the contents of each package. Check material received for damage. If damage has occurred, secure a damage notation from the carrier. Prior to starting the installation, please read the Recruiter 2 Sports Locker installation instructions. Ensure your area is clean, you have proper quality tools, and all necessary materials to get started. First, install wood sleepers. Note that a level sleeper base is critical for a quality locker installation. Pressure-treated 2x4-inch lumber at lower level, standard 2x4-inch lumber at second level. Be sure to shim to level as required. Install lockers level and side by side. Fasten each adjacent locker using joint connector bolt and nut. Ensure front of lockers are flush before tightening. End panels use same locations for fastening. For safety, lockers must be securely anchored to the wall and floor. Anchor every locker to sleeper base using furnished screws. List Industries pre-drills each foot locker bottom to make this easier. Corner fillers are custom cut in the field and attached. All shipments include toe kick material to cover sleeper base. All lockers must be inspected and cleaned to be game ready. Our wood lockers have 3 lock options: a standard padlock cam hasp, a built-in combination lock, or Digitech H1 electronic lock. The beauty is in the details. These lockers are high-quality, fine furniture. We take special pride in ensuring that each locker is a true work of art.